Today we're going to discuss how to get a linear equation by finding slope and intercept of a data set. To find slope, write equals slope. For known y values, select B2 to B11. Insert comma. For known x values, select A2 to A11. Close the bracket and hit enter. We can also calculate the slope using the formula, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. To find the intercept, write equals intercept. For known y values, select B2 to B11. Insert comma. For known x values, select A2 to A11. Close the bracket and hit enter. We can also calculate the intercept using the formula, that is y is equals to a plus bx, where a is the intercept and b represents the slope. Now select y values, that is the range from B2 to B11. Then go to insert, select line chart, then select 2D line. We get a straight line here. Now click on the line, then right click, then go to add trend line. Check display R square value on chart, then hit close. R square value is 0.99. When this value is close to 1, that means there is a strong correlation between x and y values. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more updates.